In the digital world, it's more common than ever to sit with a group of people co-located in a meeting room, while others, some halfway across the world, join the meeting via Zoom. When the call ends, those together in the room often stay there, reflecting on what just transpired in the meeting. These reflections, especially if critical, tend to stay with the co-located subgroup, unknown to the other members of the larger group. But how do those backstage conversations affect the work dynamics of the larger group? By studying two global teams with subgroups in different countries, researchers found that while frontstage information sharing is critical to team performance, backstage sharing can also dramatically affect team energy and global team dynamics. With backstage sharing, some subgroups may withhold information from the wider team, leading some team members to think they've reached a consensus on an important issue when, in reality, they have not. Or a worker may agree to certain requests in a global meeting, but as soon as the meeting ends, he or she may complain to his or her subgroup about those requests, sparking negative comments within the subgroup. This could lead to feelings of confusion, frustration, or even anger within the broader team. However, there are also situations when subgroups can change this vicious circle into a virtuous one. This involves nuanced changes in individual and collective energy in the backstage, changes that in turn can affect the front stage. Wonder how subgroup communications can affect an entire team and what one should make sure to avoid? If so, you may want to read this paper.